Welcome back to my channel Miss Medicine. Today we will discuss about classification of antimicrobial drugs. If you are new here, subscribe to the channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. So, in the classification of antimicrobial drugs, it includes cidal drugs which can kill the bacteria, and the second one static drugs which can stop the growth of bacteria. So, cidal and static drugs both can be used in normal immunocompetent person, but in immunocompromised patient or person we can use only cidal drugs. Static drugs are prohibited in immunocompromised patients because they only inhibit the growth. Static drugs can't kill the bacteria. So here we will write some major cidal drugs. These are, first one is beta lactams. Second one is vancomycin. Third one is fluoroquinolones. And the fourth one is aminoglycosides. So next part of the classification of antimicrobial drugs. First one was static drugs and cidal drugs. And the second one is which type of organism is infecting the person. Type of organism, it's classified. Third one is what's the chemical structure of the bacteria. Fourth one is what's the source. It can be antibiotics. Antibiotics we use only when microorganisms are infected, and anti-antibiotics when the person is infected by animal or any plant. And the fifth, classified by mechanism of action. First one is cell wall synthesis inhibitors. Second one is protein synthesis inhibitors. Third one is metabolism. Fourth one is DNA. And the fifth one is membranes. I hope you liked the video. We will discuss further my antimicrobial drugs in another video.